In this video, we'll look at an easy way that students can edit a PDF on their device and then return it to you through Google Classroom. First thing, when you're creating an assignment with a PDF that you want the students to be able to edit, you need to make sure that you change this setting to make a copy for each student. This is the only way that the students can edit their own copy of the document. If you've already created the assignment with a different setting, you'll need to delete that assignment and create a new one. Unfortunately, there's no way to go back and change this setting once it's been assigned. Now let's look at the student version of Google Classroom to see how to edit the document. So now we're on the Students Classwork page on Google Classroom. The student will click on the assignment with the PDF and then click on View Assignment. To open the PDF, they'll click on the file. Then at the top of the screen, they need to click the drop-down arrow. To edit the PDF, we'll be using Adobe Acrobat. In the past, we've used DocHub. However, Adobe Acrobat allows for a little bit easier workflow when editing a PDF. The student will click on Adobe Acrobat, sign in with Google if they need to, and then the document will appear in Adobe Acrobat. They have the option to add text, they can highlight text, or they can draw. Once they've made all the edits to their file, they'll need to make sure they click on the Save button to save the PDF. This will save the file directly to Google Drive. Now they can close the window and go back to their assignment and turn it in. Note, if they click on this PDF, they may not see their edits. However, if they hit the Reload button, they can click on the assignment and now the edits will be here. So if they don't see those edits, make sure they click the Reload button and they should appear. Once they've turned it in, you'll be able to see the PDF with the edits they've made.